what we're doing today, guys, if you guys are unfamiliar, we do these a lot. We play 5 characters versus 5 characters. We're doing an Astra 5v5. It's going to be an absolute freaking mess. There's going to be smokes everywhere, concussions, stars. So if you're into astrology, this might be the video for you. Yeah, if you guys like this stuff, let's get into it. I'm bad at intros. What map do you guys want to play on? You want to play in Haven or something? What's good for Astra? I don't know what.
I like Ascent.
Ascent, heard. Playing Ascent. Let's go. I'm sucking? Oh, wait, I can't suck? Okay, I sucked.
Got to target a star. Right there. Blocking vision.
Oh, there's so many stars on it.
The noise of the stars is so annoying.
Pulling them in. I need a star. Knocking them.
Oh, you're better?
Oh,
He might have a Bucky. Careful, Bucky
probably
fucks.
grab the Bucky.
Oh, easy,
Nice.
easy. Yo, I'm sucking, I'm sucking. She sucked. I got him, easy, easy, okay. There's no flashes, so it seems like just sitting outside of a smoke is like the move. Never mind. Kirby's in the smoke on catwalk. Yeah, he was there. Nice, let's go. I'm doing an ultimate straight across mid, okay, guys?
No sound for us, I guess.
Sorry, King.
They're there.
Sure they're... Oh.
Oh no. The suck got me, man. It pulled me in tight.
Pulling them in.
Vandal on my body. Or actually on a lot of them.
Nice.
Ooh, spicy. I didn't have to do him like that.
Classic
Oh, I did though.
I punish.
Oh, I dinked 140. Top cat. It was zombie.
One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Well played.
Solid. Let's go.
I'm out of stars.
I threw all of my stars on A, guys. Although I'm going to be the only one walking in here, so I think they'll figure it out very quickly.
If only your footsteps along with her.
Yeah.
Oh, double ding.
Oh, no.
Kirby's lit 60.
Beep, 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 beep. I never thought about how long the spike actually takes to defuse in this game. In CS, it's 5 seconds. And this is like 7. That's crazy, actually. 7.5 or something. Bucky. Bucky. You want to do the walkway?
I'm down.
Need that back. Right there. Vision.
One is a Bucky. One is a Marshall. Bucky stairs.
Bucky stairs. Last Bucky stairs.
He's
Toggle
bucking.
now.
Yeah, let's go. Better Bucky win. They're bucking in there, guys. They're bucking. They're bucking. They're bucking. Oh, no. I hit him 88. Can I get a res?
What?
Concussing it. Concealment.
I don't like that. That Bucky shot killed 2 of us and almost killed another one. That's what I've determined to now.
So many stars.
Look at all the fucking stars, dude. Oh, no.
Blocking vision.
Last player standing.
Idiots.
I ran out of all of my
Aw, good try.
Most chaotic game of Valorant. There's just smokes everywhere. I don't know what to do exactly.
One's on site.
Oh, close.
There's just so many smokes. There's literally different dimensions everywhere they go. Can you smoke this? Whoever has a star here?
Oh, there's so many stars on site.
Oh, the fake smoke! Let's go! That fake smoke was Pog. Who did that? Or was that
I did
them?
the fake smoke.
Oh, that was awesome. He walks into it. It goes away. GG, guys. That was a good match. Okay, we're gonna run on Bind for game 2. Bind's gonna suck. I can already feel jumping out of hookah is just gonna be impossible. This is like not even worth. Do not push B site. I don't even wanna. I don't know what the best start on this is. Probably shorty, honestly. Buying a shorty on Astra, that sounds so toxic. Yo, one of you is breathing in your mic, like deeply.
I face one. I kill
This is literally, since we only normally play 2 games, I don't feel bad about Judge here.
Obscuring vision. Just swag.
They didn't even hit me. I thought I took all like a ton of damage there.
One that's Bucky. Oh, you're bold.
I don't think they know they can't pull me off.
One enemy remaining.
Quadra.
Nice.
Let's go!
No way you judge
The
me.
judges! I'm so good at this game!
Oh, my son.
I think they were on the line.
Yo, I'm taking the gamble. I'm taking the gamble.
Let's go.
I'm
Me
going
too.
with the game.
no.
Let's go.
One enemy remaining.
Is that 4?
Kinda looks like an 8
That's
push, to
4
be
long.
honest.
Yeah, they might be it.
Pulling them in.
That's just a kid.
Killer. Pulling them in.
One enemy remaining.
Trinity, you're welcome.
TP.
Player
No!
standing. 30 seconds left.
Not like this!
Yeah, 4. Yeah, 5.
Oh no. I'm tired there.
That's the mechanics? Kind of.
Okay,
Yeah, we're
they're
kind of just throwing
kinda
abilities
like-
everywhere. So like being able to shoot people is definitely a plus.
Blasting them. Got
Last player standing.
I got 1.
Oh, indeed.
Concealment.
Remember your
91 on Papa.
Look at my beauty.
No way.
There's so much effort.
A person's
I
character.
can't believe I missed 3 knives on that.
Concussing it.
One enemy remaining.
Trinity,
Plantain.
you're welcome.
Got off plant.
I need to stop pulling them in.
He's not planting. Nice.
Whew.
Nice.
Nice quality. Knife him. Oh no.
Oh, Spike's
They got
down
Spike.
market.
Killer.
Nice. Oh, you're so much better, King.
I want to knife this
Wait,
guy in
they
showers.
vanished.
I'm gonna knife him in showers. Don't kill him.
Watch it
Don't
go.
you
One
fucking
enemy
dare.
remaining.
I
Got him.
win.
I'm
Don't
just
you dare.
making
He's
noise
mine. He's
for
mine.
you.
He's mine.
Nice.
Oh man. $10 RP if you knife Bappo.
Spike
Which
planted.
one's Papa? Which
Put
one's
in a bounty on his head.
Better luck next
Bappo's
time.
still alive.
Last player
I
standing.
found him. Octagon.
How long does the bounty last for? Wait, what happens if King
in
kills
Cubby.
Papa with a knife? What happens if King
Oh.
Last player standing.
CT hit 80.
One enemy
Apple.
remaining.
You get your own now.
Nice.
Mm.
Turn no.
Triple.
Oh no! Not
Hey,
this
I am
time!
kind of
Where did he
confused by
come
that.
from? Astra's got such a nice ass.
That ass. That ass.
That's crazy.
Killer.
Remaining.
Last one's U-Haul and I'm pretty fucked.
Recovering it.
I'm gonna. Can you hold the CP?
No! Izuka. Oh.
He's mad.
Oh, there's
One
3 on
triple, I
B.
think.
There's only 1 A. Nice. A's empty.
Enemy punch.
One enemy remaining.
Pulling them in.
Nice.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
31 kills. Jesus.
So
Have you tried the
imbalanced on
25-star
both sides.
execute? Guys, 25-star execute on A right now, okay?
Out
Just
there.
throw util everywhere that we can. I'm doing in the back, somebody do in the middle, somebody do in the front. So somebody's got to cover mid.
Obscuring blocking vision. Pulling them in. Concealment. Concealment. Pulling them. Blasting them. Concealment.
Planting bomb.
Triple.
Oh, the back sight.
Last player standing.
That was
Right behind it.
Like, I was uncomfortably close to getting that transfer there.
What if
He is concussing it.
Backside, dead.
Let's go. The play is honestly. GG guys.
GG,
Sorry
that was a
for
good
the
game.
shotgun plays early on. I know that was toxic. I got a couple knife kills that game. That was kind of fun.
You got like 3 or 4, I think.
Man.
Thanks
I
for having
also
us,
got
man.
knifed though. I did get knifed once. I can't wait for the video. That was fun. Thank you guys for playing in the custom 5v5s. If you guys want to take in part of these, we do them pretty much once a week for patrons and stuff. We generally let the patrons in first, then we do it. So yeah, if you guys wanted to check out the Patreon down below, feel free to do so. Subscribe to the channel, do all the cool things, and I will see you guys in the next video.